Good afternoon, students. My name is M.S. Somashekar from Nilambika Girls High School, Serigare. Today, I will take you a new lesson for the 10th standard, that is Colors of Silence. The title itself shows the meaning, colors. So, we have so many colors. With colors, we can play. How? By painting. Very good. So painting means a different colors. With paint, the artists make a great creature. A great art they make with the paintings. So you might have known about the Ravi Verma, Leonardo da Vinci, etc. They are the great artists, especially in the painting. Today we will learn such artists with colors of silence. Why it is said silence? Silence means he can't speak. Was he dumb? No. But he was deaf. He can't listen anything because of deafness. But he achieved a great thing. So he is a physically disabled man. Most of us feel physically disabled or unable to get success. It is a wrong notion. There are so many people amidst us. They have achieved a great thing in spite of their difficulties, in spite of their disabilities. Today, we shall learn one such a great man who was physically disabled. This lesson shows physical disability is not a barrier for success. It will never come across in our reaching a goal. For example, I will tell you, you might have heard the great cricketer name from Karnataka, B.S. Chandrasekhar. So B.S. Chandrasekhar was the one of the greatest bowlers in the world. The bowlers needed a healthy hand. But B.S. Chandrasekhar bowling arm was handicapped. It was polio attack. With this hand, he made a great feat. He is an example for us how a physical disabled can achieve a great thing. Here is the one more such example. Let's learn what is in this story. This story we got from the National Book Trust of India. National Book Trust of India. This is the story of the boy Satish. What happened to him? How he became a deaf? In spite of his deafness, how he became a great artist one day. Now read about the boy who lost the sense of hearing. He lost the sense of hearing and see what happened later. What happened later? Let's learn. Satish, why don't you come to the school today? Surendra had to repeat the question 3 times before Satish heard it. He was lying on the bed, his eyes closed, sweat glistered on his brow. I am not well, replied Satish. Of late, he had been down with something or other. So, one of the friends of Satish went to see him to make an inquiry why he was absent in the school. He asked him, Satish, Satish, friend asked Satish, why did not you come to school today? Why are you absent? What is the reason? Why are you absent? Why did not you come to school? Surendra had to repeat the question 3 times, but he could not hear. Who did not hear? Satish did not hear what his friend told. So his friend Surendra had to repeat the same question. Which question? Why don't you come to school today? The same question he repeated 3 times. Satish heard him. He was lying on the bed. Satish was lying on the bed. His eyes closed. He was lying on the bed. His eyes closed. Sweat glittered on his brow. What was the condition of the Satish? Satish was bedridden. He was lying on the bed. His eyes were closed, and sweat was glistening on his eyebrow. There was sweating was there on his eyebrow. He said, "No, I am not well," replied Satish of late. He did not give answer immediately. After repeating the question 3 times, at late he answered, "No, I am not well." Who was not well? Satish was not well. He had been down with something or other. He had always been down with some. He was suffering from one or another problem. Always he has met with some of the problems. Then Surendra asked, "Why? What is the matter with you, Satish?" His friend asked him with concern. He put his head on his forehead to feel it. When he said that he was not well, his friend asked him, "Why? Why? Why did not you come? What is the matter with you? What happened to you? What is the matter?" His friends asked him with concern. He had a concern. Concern is kalaji. So with concern, he made an inquiry. Why was he not able to attend the school? And what is the matter? What is the reason? He put his hand on his forehead. He put his hand on his forehead to feel it. To feel it. He put his hand on his forehead to feel. He put his hand like this. So, was he suffering from fever or not? Just to feel whether he was fine or not, his friend put his hands on his forehead to feel is the temperature of his body. I don't know whether it has been pretty bad since the last operation on my leg. I get terribly headaches and then feel as if everything is going dark and silent. I feel miserable. But why are you speaking so softly? I can barely hear you. He replied, Satish replied to Surendra because he asked, "What is the matter with you?" He told, "I don't know, Surendra. I don't know. What happened to me? It has been pretty bad. I am feeling very pretty bad. It's very, very bad. From last operation on my leg. The previous day I went under operation for my leg. Since from that day I was feeling very bad. I was feeling very bad. I get this terribly headache. I am getting terrible headache. I cannot tolerate. It's a great headache, great pain suffering. Especially of headache. A terrible headache. He was unable to bear such a headache he was suffering. Then feel, and along with the headache, he feels everything is going dark. There is no light at all. Even in the daytime, it seems to be everything is dark. Nothing is clear, and everything is silent. What was the result of his operation? As the result of his operation on his leg, Satish was feeling very bad, very miserable. Especially, he suffered terrible headache. Along with this, it seems everything is going to be dark and silent. Everything is going to be dark and silent. It seems everything is dark. So everything is silent. He feels so. I feel miserable. Satish felt very miserable. Grief. Then asked, "But it's okay. Why are you speaking so softly? Why are you speaking so softly? I can barely hear you." He asked Surendra, "My problem is okay. Why are you speaking so softly? I can very difficultly hear you." Actually, Surendra was not speaking softly. He was speaking loudly. But he hears very less. That's why it seems to be Surendra is speaking very softly. Okay? It means something hearing problem is there for Satish. Surendra gave a strange look. Surendra looked at Satish in a strange way because he was not speaking softly, he was speaking loudly. He repeated three times. Then also he could not hear, but Satish said is telling, why are you speaking softly? So he became very strange look. He gave a strange look because he was wondered, surprised. He had certainly not been speaking softly. Really, he was not speaking softly. Really, he was speaking very loudly so that Satish can hear. But Satish is telling, you are speaking softly. Then he questions himself. Has he lost his hearing? Actually, I am speaking loudly, but he says, I am speaking softly. It means, has he lost his hearing? Has he lost his hearing? Does he have a hearing problem? Worried Surendra Ghabriya because his friend might have lost his hearing. That's why he says, I am speaking softly. Poor Satish. He had been ill ever since he came back from the holiday in Kashmir the previous year. How long did he have that problem? Yes. Surendra says, poor Satish. Poor Satish. Poor Satish means Badapai Satish. He don't know anything. He had been ill. Past perfect tense. He had been ill. Naratane idane. From so many problems. From ever since he came back from the holiday in Kashmir the previous year. The previous year he went to Kashmir on the vacation, the summer vacation. So since after that he had been suffering like this. Who told? Satish's friend Surendra told he had facing such problems from the holidays in Kashmir the previous year, last year he had been facing such problems. There had been an accident when he was hiking with his father and brother in they were crossing a rickety bridge over some rapids. The boys stood and looked down the swirling water below. Then look how the water is rushing that spot. Satish pointed out to his brother. Just then his foot slipped and losing his balance, he fell into the rapids. His screams were lost in the rushing sound of the water. When he regained his consciousness, his legs were plaster cast and his head hurt badly. He was bruised and aching all over. What happened to him? He had been suffering since the last year when he came back from the Kashmir. Because Surendra used to say that there had been an accident where when he went to Kashmir, there he met with an accident. What accident he met with? Because he went hiking, charana, with his father and brother. What did he do in the summer vacation? In the last summer vacation, he went to Kashmir with his father and brother. There, they went hiking. In the hiking, they were crossing, not the rickety bridge. Rickety means weak bridge. Rickety means weak, very weak. The bridge was very weak. It is in dilapidated situation. It was weak. So it was crossing that rickety bridge over some rapids. Rapid means fast flowing water. The water is flowing very fastly in some thickest areas of the hill. So over it there was a bridge. The bridge was rickety. He saw rickety bridge. The boy stood. The boy stood on the bridge, looked down below the water, which was running very fastly. Swirling water. The water is swirling like this. Very fast it was swirling. They looked and enjoyed. So how the water is swirling there, how the water is moving very fast below them. They were seeing. And Satish showed his brother in there. Look how the water is rushing. See how the water is rushing that particular point. Satish pointed or showed where the water was swirling at that particular point to his brother in there. Just then, so when they were standing on the rickety bridge, while they were watching the rabbits, he showed his brother in there how the water is rushing that particular point. So then itself, the foot slipped. The foot slipped because there is always when that spot water is flowing, there will be some problems. Some plants might have grown like watching. That's why they might have slipped. And losing his balance. When he slipped on the rickety bridge, he lost his balance. Who lost his balance? Satish lost his balance and fell into the rapids. Fell into the water took him somewhere at a distance. He screamed, help me, I am falling. But the screams were lost in the rushing sound of the water. In the rushing sound of water, his screaming sound did not hear properly. So after that, he was collected and shifted to the hospital. When he regained the consciousness, because of the result of the accident, he lost his consciousness. When he brought to the hospital, after the first aid, he got a little bit conscious. So when he got conscious in the hospital, what was condition? His condition was very bad. His legs were in plaster cast. They might have broken. His legs might have broken. That's why they were put in a plaster cast, in a bandage. And his head, what about his head? Hurt badly because when he fell down, there was a big stones were there under the water. So because of the fast of the water, swirling water, he might have pushed to some of the rocks. Because as a result of that, his legs were broken. He was badly injured in his head. He was bruised. Bruised means injured and aching all over. He was bruised, gaya and aching, pain all over the body. All his body was under the pain. This was the condition of surrender as a result of accident in the Kashmir. Though his legs healed, they remained weak, requiring several operations on them. The worst is suffering frequently from the boots of fever and infections, especially of fever. What happened? Though his legs healed, no doubt yes, his legs healed up, but they remained weak. Though their legs healed up, but did not get the strength, they remained weak, and they required several operations on them. Those legs needed several operations on them. The worst, the worst is suffering frequently was the boots of fever. Boots of fever means period of illness and infection. The period of illness was very lengthy. Throughout the year was suffering boots of fever and infections. As a result of his treatment, he got infection, especially after the ear. There are so many infections, but especially that particular one infection was very problematic for him. That was his hearing problem. Satish, seeing that Satish was in pain, Surendra now got up to go. Will you come to school tomorrow? He asked him. So he come to know that As a result of this accident, he was absent to the school. His hearing was very poor, so in the come to know. So, seeing the Satish, his condition was very bad, he was in pain, Surinder now got up to go to home. So, before he leaving, he asked him once again, will you come to school tomorrow? Will you come to school tomorrow? He asked him. Satish shook his head. Satish shows. He did not speak, but he shook his head as a sign he was not able to come to school. A slow tear trickled down his cheeks after Surendra left. It felt as if some huge weight was pressing upon his head, making everything seem far away and silent. He felt helpless and upset at being confined to bed as he was. The silence was burst. Everything seemed like screams from some pantomime show. He wanted to scream to break the silence, but did not. For the 8 years old boy, this was terrible. The doctors did not know the cause except that was caused by the medicines given to treat his legs. So Surinder went out. A slow tear, kannir, jinigittu on his cheeks when Surinder left, because when his friend left, so as a result of his grief, he was in very good situation. A tears trickled down. It felt as if, how did he feel? It felt as if huge weight was pressing on his head. Because of the headache, how did he feel? As a result of the headache, he felt a huge weight was pressing on his head, pressing upon his head, making everything seem far away. Everything seems to be far away and silent. See, how can this boy bear that problem? He feeling a huge weight was pressing on his head. Along with this, he seemed to be, everything seems to be far away. It's far away from him. And also silent. He felt helpless and upset. So as a result of these problems, he felt very upset and also helpless. And being confined to bed. He was fixed to bed. He can't go outside because of his problems. He was under treatment. He needs rest for a long time. So he was confined to bed. So got bored and helpless at that time. Everything seemed like a scene from some pantomime show. How did he feel? So in his condition, he says everything seems to be scenes from the pantomime. Pantomime means without speech, there are some shows are there. Muka chitragalanu haakutami. He wanted to scream, cheer to break the silence. There was silence, he can't hear, so he felt it is a complete silence. To break the silence, he wanted to scream himself, but he did not scream. For 8 years old boy, Satish was not a youngster, he was just a small kid of 8 years old boy. How can he bear all these problems of headache, and terribly weight was put on his head, and he was everything seems to be far away and silent. All these very, very terrible to sustain this kind of problems, especially for the 8 years old boy. The doctor said the reason. They also don't know the cause. What is the reason for his deafness and headache? They don't know the reason, but the only thing they know, except it was caused by the medicines, as a result of the adverse effect of the medicines given to treat his legs. The doctors gave medicine to treat his legs. As a result of this medicine, he was feeling headache, terrible headache, silence. Everything is a result of the treating his legs due to the medicine's side effects. Due to the frequent absence and his hearing problem, the school he was attending till then, informed the father, his father, Mr. Avatar narrated that they could not keep Satish. We will have to look for a new school, his father said. Satish shook his head, saying no. He did not want to go to a school where he could not talk to the other children, where someone would make fun of his deafness. As a result of this problem, because the frequent absences, months together, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months together, he was absent in the school. A result of his continuous absence and his problem of hearing, the school where he was studying, the headmaster told his father, informed him, was father, Mr. Avatar Narayan, that they could not keep Satish in their school because he was not attending regularly. Moreover, he had a hearing problem. Because of these two reasons, they are not ready to keep him. We will have to look for a new school. We have to look for a new school. We have to look for a new school. His father said. His father said, you have to look for a new school. Why? Because they are not ready to keep Satish in their school. Satish shook his head. Satish said, no. He don't want to go to a school. He don't want to go to other schools, new schools, because where he could not talk to the children because there were no friends. They all were new in the new schools. Moreover, in the new schools, the children would make fun of his deafness. Everyone would make fun of his deafness. He has thought. If you go to the new schools, you would make a laughing stock of that school because there were no friends here there. Everyone were new to him. So because of this deafness, they would make fun of him. That's why Satish was not ready to go to the new school. So he denied to go to new school. He wanted to continue the same school where he was studying. I think I have clearly understood the today's class. Read the lesson. I am repeatedly telling you, read the lesson as many times as possible. Then they definitely will understand the lesson. Thank you.